How much should you actually spend on a Citizen Eco Drive watch? Because you've got options ranging from budget-friendly to high-end, but is the pricey one really worth it? Let's dig into what makes each watch stand out. Product number 1, Bryson Chronograph. First up is the Citizen Men's Eco Drive Weekender Bryson Chronograph watch. Priced at $189, this watch caught my eye with its sporty look and impressive features. If you want a stylish yet functional watch, this is worth a serious look. This watch features a 1/5-second chronograph that measures up to 60 minutes, which is perfect if you like tracking your workouts or timing events. Plus, it has a date function and is water-resistant up to 100 meters, meaning you can wear it while swimming without worry. The luminous hands make it easy to read in low light, and with over 4,000 reviews averaging 4.6 stars, many others are loving it too. Now, some users mention the watch could be a bit bulky for smaller wrists. Here's the thing though, if you prefer a watch that makes a statement, the size adds to its sporty charm rather than detracting from it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a watch that balances style and functionality. Skip this one if you're after something more minimalist. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if the Bryson's bulkiness isn't your style, the next one might just be the perfect fit for a sleek design. Product number 2, Sport Luxury World Chronograph. Next, we have the Citizen Men's Eco Drive Sport Luxury World Chronograph Atomic Timekeeping Watch priced at $556. This one's a stunner, especially if you're into advanced features and precision. If you want a watch that's not just a timepiece but a piece of tech, this is definitely worth considering. This watch is synchronized to an atomic time clock, ensuring exceptional accuracy. It adjusts automatically in 26 time zones, so if you travel often, it's super convenient. Plus, it features a perpetual calendar day-date function and a power reserve indicator. Water-resistant up to 200 meters, it's designed for adventurers. With 2,200 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's not just me who thinks it's impressive. Now, some folks pointed out that the price point might be steep. But let's be real, if you value accuracy and feature-rich watches, this is an investment that pays off, especially for frequent travelers. This is perfect for you if you love technology and travel. Skip it if you're looking for something basic. Overall, this watch offers great value for its features. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next watch is for those who appreciate classic elegance without breaking the bank. Product number 3, Classic Addison. Coming in at $232, the men's Classic Addison Eco Drive watch offers a timeless style that transitions smoothly from work to play. If you want a classic look paired with modern technology, this is worth a serious look. This watch features a 3-hand design with a date function, making it straightforward and easy to read. The sapphire crystal is scratch-resistant, which is a big plus for daily wear. With its 100 meters of water resistance, you can wear it while washing your hands or even swimming. With a 4.6-star rating from 1,300 reviews, it gets high marks for its stylish design and reliability. However, some users mentioned the watch face could be a bit too simple for their taste. Here's the perspective: simplicity can be elegant, and if you want something that pairs well with various outfits, this could be a great choice. This is perfect for you if you value classic styling with modern features. Skip it if you prefer a bolder, more complex design. At this price, it delivers solid aesthetics and functionality. Now, if you prefer a more rugged watch, the next one is designed for you. Product number 4, Garrison Field Watch. Next up is the men's Eco Drive Weekender Garrison Field Watch, priced at an affordable $147. This one really caught my attention with its no-nonsense design. If you want a watch that feels sturdy and reliable, you'll want to hear more about this. This watch features luminous hands and markers, making it easy to read in any lighting. The Arabic markers give it a unique look, and it's water-resistant up to 100 meters, so you don't have to worry about it getting wet. Plus, it uses Eco Drive technology, which means you'll never have to replace the battery. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 1,400 reviews, it's clear that many are satisfied with its performance. Some users have noted that the strap could feel a bit too stiff at first, but honestly, that's not a deal breaker. With some wear, it softens up nicely and you'll appreciate the durability. This is perfect for you if you want a rugged, straightforward watch. Skip it if you're looking for something more formal. For the price, it's an excellent value. Now, if you want something with a sporty edge, the next watch could be just what you need. Product number 5, Eco Drive Weekender. Finally, we have the Eco Drive Weekender men's watch priced at $187.95. With its stylish design and functionality, this watch is an exciting choice. If you're looking for something sporty yet classy, you should definitely take a look. This watch features a 3-hand design with a date function, and the stainless steel case gives it a polished look. Plus, it's powered by Eco Drive technology, so you'll never need a battery. It has a stellar 4.6-star rating from 2,000 reviews, showcasing its popularity. However, some reviewers mentioned that the rubber strap isn't the most premium feeling. Here's the thing, if you want a watch that's functional and stylish, this strap does the job and the overall look compensates for it. This is perfect for you if you want a sporty watch that fits various occasions. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra-luxurious. For the price, it's a solid deal with great style. To wrap it up, we've covered a variety of Citizen Eco Drive watches, each with its own unique features and price points. Whether you're looking for a sporty chronograph, a classic designer, or something rugged for everyday wear, there's a perfect watch here for you. Whatever your style, Citizen has something to match your needs.